Alright, so the mountainscapes here, you can see the hills here in this place, and the sky is dark, so it's the night sky, and they are a little blurred, and light green color here and light blue color here. Okay, now we are going to draw some mountain pine tree, so some on the top and some on the bottom. For drawing the trees, we are just putting the outlines like this one. Okay, here you can see the outlines of the trees. All right, so some are nicely visible because of the dark shadows here. Okay, so on the top we're just putting some green outlines. You can see looks like this. On top of it, it's a little bit pointy, you can tell from the drawing, and at the bottom it's expanded. So the details of the each tree is counted for, because all the details makes up the better presentations of the drawings once we complete it. The tree leaves and the branches are done. Now drawing the trees at the bottom. Because the hillside downwards is a little darker color, so all the trees here will be darker color too. I'm putting the only black color for drawing of the trees here at the bottom or down of the hills, but on the top positions I'm going to put the dark green color. So you know the same trees, but color depends on the texture and the environment. So you can change the texture of the colors or the lightness or darkness of the colors of the same elements depending upon the situation on which you are going to present the total your drawing ideas. As you can see, the mountain pine trees is taller, and all the tree leaves are a little bit inclined because it has to sustain the heavy snowfalls. That's why the tree has been, evolution has been like this, so it's a little bit slope to the downward directions. Actually, lots of trees, these are the basic ornamentations of the total drawings, makes the drawings looks good. So one side is complete. Now I'm going to provide the leaves for the other sides, same way as I have done before. It may take a little bit time, but the drawings depends upon all the details we do. So when you do the practice, do like me. So all the detailings, it's kind of fun because you're generating a creative things which is just depends on your imaginations only. That's the creative mind of the people, because humans have lots of possibilities because because of his ability to dream and work on the creative ideas. Okay, so almost done the downward all the tree drawings. And the top of all these trees make a little bit pointy so that it looks top of the mountains. Okay, some trees we are going to put in here. All right. Also you can define the the slopes of the trees because of the shadows. Some slopes you can put like these darker colors. Okay, so that defines the mountain lines and the terrains. Okay, so the mountain tops are very nicely clearly defined, you can see from the drawings. All right, little bit here for the details of all these mountains. So the drawing you can see is it in progress, and the video is not edited because there are lots of things to know, while the drawing, because how do you put the stroke, that depends. You see, I'm going to put the brush here, it's a little bit inclined because sometimes putting the vertical, but sometimes putting the inclined shapes. So putting the trees again. All right, there's the beauty of the scenery. Some trees I'm going to put here. All right, so the basic drawing pattern, you can see it's done. And now I'm going to put a moon on the top because it's a nice sky. So I'm going to take the white color to draw the moon. But before that, I'm going to put some stars here so you can see the dots and the stars in the night sky. So lots of stars here. The drawing is little bit darker because it's a night sky, so that's why the sky is a darker color. And you can see the stars, just you can put the stars on the tip of the brushes. Okay, so there are lots of dots, each dot defines the lots of stars. Sometimes you can define a star fall, looks like this, and put a straight line which may define a star fall. Another one you can put here, define the star fall. Okay, and when you put the moon on the sky, just try to make it as round as possible. So the moon drawing is really getting nice. Now on top of the mountain, just we can put some white shades like this for the each top. It occurs because of some of the snowfalls just still exist here. So that's the idea. Okay, sorry. So this is the drawing. You can see the wooden frame and the acrylic painting, and the scenery is totally natural scenery. And I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.